Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, thank you. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class we were discussing about the circles. Yes or no? In that circles we learned about the center of a circle, a radius of circle, and diameter of circle. Diameter it is the 2 times of a radius, and again chord of a circle. Chord means any 2 points joins with any 2 points on the circle. It joins the line of any 2 points on the circle. The longest chord is what? The longest chord is the diameter. Yes or no? These are we learned in the previous class. Now one more new topic that is very easy and very important to you all. You should not forget throughout your life. That is a very important. Who will walk with the time, they will get succeed. Yes or no? They will get a succeed. For that, we will work with the time. Now, we will discuss the new lesson that is about time. Lesson number 14. Lesson number 14, time. We will write lesson 14. Time. Yes, here just to observe this figure, the face of a clock. Face of a clock. I will draw here a clock. Yes, it has 1 to 12 numbers. This clock has 1 to 12 numbers. These numbers shows us time in hours. These numbers shows us time in hours. Yes. See, this is we can draw a circle with the help of a compass. Also, we can draw. Yesterday, I told how to draw a circle with the help of a compass. Yes, we know that this is a face of a clock with the having. Yes, there are 12 numbers on a clock. How many numbers? 12 numbers. We can draw 1 to 12. Yes. Yes, see. Exactly the distance between each point it should be same. The distance between each point should be same. There should not be one less, one more like that. Yes, here just half of circle it is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, again 12. Yes, this is the center, and there are 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. One is the hour hand and one more is the minute hand. We can draw with the help of a scale. Minute hand we will draw first. Yes, this is the longest hand. Yes, it shows us a minute. It shows us minute. Here there are some 5 tiny. Yes, separate dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this 5. Totally in this it is separated into 5. Yes, total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, how many are there? Means 60 are there. Totally how many are there? 60 are there. These 60 what this so shows us? Yes, these 60 shows us minutes. Each one point it shows us a minute. How many minutes are there? That minutes these will show us. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many are there? 60. Yes, this small one, if this minute hand takes from here to here, it takes 1 minute. It takes 1 minute. From here to here, it takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, then 35, 40. Here 9 is there, 9 twice are 45. Yes, 50, 55, 60 minutes. And our hand, it takes, yes, 2 rounds. In a 24 hours per day, it takes 2 rounds. How many rounds? 2 rounds. It is a shorter hand. We can call it is shorter than this minute hand. It is shorter than the minute hand. It shows us minutes. Yes, for 1 hour it takes 1 round. Minute hand it takes, yes, for the 24 hours. For 1 round it takes 12 hours. And then if it completed 2 rounds means it's a, yes, 24 hours it is completed. The numbers we see on the face of a clock are 1 to 12 are there. Yes, how many are there? 1 to 12. These numbers shows us hours. This number shows us the time in hours. We read time in hours. 1 to numbers, yes, numbers 1 to 12 shows time in hours. This shows the time in hours. And next, these numbers, yes, there are 60 minute marking on the face of a clock. How many are there? 60 are there. Totally 60 are there. This shows us minutes. This shows us minutes. Each mark it moves, yes, shows the minute. And if it is completes, this minute hand completes 1 round, it completes 1 hour. 1 hour. Then we can write 1 hour is equals to, first 1 day is equals to 1 day it has 24 hours. 24 hours. Then 1 hour it has how many seconds? Sorry, how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Then 1 minute it has 1 minute has 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Here there will be another one hand, that is the longest one, that moves very fast. Per second, yes, per second that moves, and this moves slower than that second hand, and this is the slowest than these 2 minute and second hands. Yes, if it is completed 1 round, this our hand moves 3 to 4. Now this clock we can read. What's the time now? We are learning from first hand also. Then the clock, the time is, if it is the minute hand shows at 12, we should read o'clock. This is 3 o'clock. What's the time? 3 o'clock. Clear? 3 o'clock. If the minute hand is at 3, then we can quarter past 3. If it is at 6, then it will be the hour hand between 3 and 4, then half past 3. Then if it is near to 4, quarter to 4, then it is again, if it is 12, then this minute hand, this hour hand will be at 4, then we can read it as 4 o'clock. Yes, clear? This we learned in the previous standard. Now I will draw some clocks. You write these all. I will draw some clocks and you should read the time. We should read the time. These clocks are given in your textbook page number 145. Open the textbook page number 145. There are 8 clocks. First one. Yes, there are 8 clocks. I will draw first clock. Yes. It shows first. Write the time shown in these clocks. The question is, write the time. Here we will write the question. Write the time shown in these clocks. Yes. Here, first one, this is A. We can draw a clock with the help of compass, or you can take a bangle. With the help of that bangle, we can draw a clock. Now it is the minute hand it's showing at 12. The minute hand showing at 12. then our hand is at 7. The our hand is at 7. Then we can read what's the time now here? Yes, it is of 7 o'clock. Right, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Yes, if take one more, that is, yes, B, it is A, B clock will draw. Yes, it shows the time. Yes, here 12, it should be half, exactly half, and this side also exactly half, and cut into two equal parts. Here also cut into two equal parts, and here also, and here also. First you make 4 parts. In each part again you cut into two equal parts, 3 parts, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Then it is 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. The center of a clock, that is, it shows the hands. Yes, here the minute hand is pointing at 3. The minute hand is pointing at 3. Yes, and our hand is pointing, yes, little after 4. Just after 4. Just after 4 means we can read quarter past. Yes. What is time now here? Yes, we can read it as quarter past 4 it is. Quarter past. Here 7 o'clock means 7:00 minute. Quarter past 4. Then 4 hours 15 minutes. Quarter means 15 minutes. Then B equal C. It is C clock will draw. Very simple. Yes, the clock is given. You can use the bangle to draw a circle. It's a very simple. With the help of bangle, you can draw. Yes. Now the hands are showing 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, the minute hand is pointing at 9. Minute hand is pointing at 9. And our hand is little before 2. The our hand is just before 2. Means it is quarter to 2 only. Yes, it is pointing at there and it is little before. The our hand is just before 2. Then we can read the time. It is quarter to 2. Then write quarter to 2 means what? How many minutes? Quarter to 2. 45 minutes passed here to here. Then 1 after 45 minutes. Yes, then we can read 45 minutes past 1 or quarter to 2. Quarter to become 2 o'clock. Quarter of time is required. Yes, simple. No, 15 minutes is required. And next one more clock, B. Very simple these clocks. Yes, cut into equally half. Again horizontally. Again 3 parts will make equal parts. Yes, here it is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, center of a clock. Yes, it should be center. Then we can draw a hands. The hands of a clock are showing. Yes, D. Minute hand is at 6. Minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is between 9 and 10. It is between 9 and 10. Exactly between 9 and 10. Yes. Then we can write the time is, what's the time now? Yes, half past 9. Half past 9 means how much minutes past? Good. 30 minutes past 9. We can write 30 minutes past 9. Next clock E. Very simple clocks we draw. Yes, now twelve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Draw these clocks neatly in your notebook. Leave sufficient space for each one. Maintain proper distance. Yes, between each clock. Here the minute hand is showing at 5. Minute hand is showing at 5. Yes, here minute hand is pointing at 5 and our hand is after, yes, 12. After 12 means it is between 12 and 1. The hour hand is between 12 and 1. Then it is shorter hand. Hour hand is the shorter than, yes, minute hand. Then we can write what is the time? 25 minutes. 5 5 are 25. 25 minutes past 12. Then we can write 25 minutes past 12. 25 minutes past 12. Very simple. Yes. And sixth one, F clock. Very simple, that is also. Yes, you can draw a square clock also. And pointing hours, that is very important. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, the minute hand and the hour hands. Hour hands, it is pointing at 12 and minute hand is at 1. We will draw the minute hand first. The minute hand is at 1. See the F clock. And hour hand is little just after 12. Yes, like this. Now the time is 5 minutes past 12. Then we can write 12 5 0 5. Then 5 minutes past 12. 5 minutes past 12 is the time. Yes, write these clocks, draw these clocks neatly in your notebook. Very easy this. Totally 8 clocks are given. How many clocks are given? 8 clocks are given. Yes, here I drawn 6 clocks and 2 more we'll have now. Yes, draw these. Okay, next clock is, yes, draw these clocks. Next clocks, yes, that is, again 2 clocks are there. I will take the 2 clocks, hands here only I will change. Yes, G, the minute hand is pointing at 7. This is G, the minute hand is pointing at 7, means longest hand, and our hand is, yes, just little before 9, means we can write here the hour hand, this is minute hand. Yes, G for it is. Then we can write what's the time. How many minutes? 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes past. After 8, 35. Then we can write 35 minutes past. 35 minutes past 8, or we can write 25 minutes to 9. 25 minutes. How many minutes are remaining? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes to 9 also we can write. Yes, and last clock, that is, it shows, yes, minute hand is at 11 and just before our hand to the 10. Yes, the longest hand is a minute hand. Here this is shortest one. Our hand, then we can write the just before 10 means 9:55. 9:55. 5 minutes to 10. 5 minutes to 10. 2 become 2. That's why 5 minutes to 10. Or you can write 55 minutes past 9. 55 minutes past 9 also you can write. Yes, draw these 2 clocks. Draw these 2 also neatly in your notebook. After that, yes, here some fill in the blanks are there. They will give a short form of a time. Short form, this one they will give. You should write this one. Yes, long form. Here short form they will give the time. Long form you should write for the given time. Yes, here shall I erase this one? Okay. Very simple, this clock lesson. Practically we can take a clock and we can practice it. We can place, we can point the minute hand wherever we want, then we can say the time. Fill in the blanks here. The short form of a time is given. We should write a long form in words. A, yes, that is 9 minute, 9 hour 00 minute. 9 hour 00 minutes we can read as a, yes, what's the time? 9 o'clock. We can write 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock you write here. And next one, the clock given is, that is B, 9 hour 5 minutes. 9 hour 5 minutes. 9 hour 5 minutes means 5 minutes past 9. You can write 5 minutes past 5 minutes past 9. Next, very simple this. See it one. 9:15. 9 or 15 minutes. Then you can call 15 means quarter. Quarter past 9. Quarter past 9. Very simple. Next one more. B. 9 or 25 minutes. Yes. Then 25 minutes past. 25 minutes past 9. Next E. Very simple. Half past 9. 9:30. 30 minutes past 9 also you can write. Or half 1 hour is 60 minutes. Half an hour is 30 minutes. Half past 9. You can call half past 9. Its long form is half past 9. F. 9:40. Yes, this we can write. Yes, 40 minutes past 40 minutes past 9. And one more, otherwise we can write only 20 minutes to become 10. Yes or no? Then 60 minus 40 is 20. You can write 20 minutes to 10 also we can write 20 minutes to 10. And G is 9:45. 9:45 full form, quarter to 10 or 45 minutes past 9. We can write quarter to 10. H1 is, yes, 9:50. 9 hours 50 minutes. Then we can write 10 minutes to 10. To become 10, 10 minutes to 10. Or here you can write 45 minutes past 9. Past 9. Here 15 minutes past 9 also we can write. Better to use this one. Why? It is nearest to the 10 now. Yes, that's why. Here also we use this one only. Yes, 20 minutes to 10. When it is near to 20 minutes near, or 15, 16 like that, we can use the 2. This one, 2. Yes, if it is fast, up to half an hour we can use half fast, quarter fast, 25 minutes past, 30 minutes past, like that. Yes, here is very simple this. Yes, with this today I will conclude my class. If you get any doubt about these times, you can give a call to me. Okay, thank you.